Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. In today's video, I'll be swatching and reviewing Nail Love by HBC's Stardust collection. As always, before swatching a nail polish, I always apply a peel-off nail mask first. Let's first swatch Shimmer. Now for Shimmer's second coat. And I think applying a third coat is a must for this shade. Shimmer has a jelly copper shade with silver shards, and it also has a subtle purple-like shimmer. And here's a macro shot of the bottle of Shimmer. Second nail polish to swatch is Sparkle. Now for the second coat of Sparkle. Sparkle has a jelly blue base with silver shards. And here's a macro shot of the bottle of Sparkle. And the third and final nail polish to swatch from this collection is Glisten. Now for Glisten's second coat. And I think applying a third coat is a must for this shade. Glisten has a silver jelly base with silver shards. And here's a macro shot of the bottle of Glisten. Nail Love Stardust collection has 3 stunning shades. You can buy Nail Love products at HBC. The 3 nail polishes have unique shades and they dry easily too. One bottle contains 12 ml of gorgeous nail polish. And they're made in France. Which of the 3 shades is your favorite? I hope you guys enjoyed today's swatch and review video. Don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe for more videos just like this. And follow me on Instagram to get the latest updates. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.